Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to this explainer. If you've ever spent literally hours making a project pop with dynamic motion, only to have your high-speed animation stutter as they play back, well, you know exactly how frustrating it is. It's a real buzzkill. Today, we're extracting a highly effective singular technique straight from our sources to solve this exact headache. We're going to look at exactly how to achieve flawless, high-speed, smooth animations without ever compromising your creative vision.
So why exactly do high-speed animations become jerky in the first place? I mean, we've all seen it happen. You set an object, or maybe a text box, to zip across the display, right? You want it to look sleek and energetic. But when you finally hit play, instead of a clean blur of motion, it stutters. It awkwardly jumps from one point to another. It instantly degrades the professional feel of the incredible work you've put together, and honestly, it completely breaks the immersion for your audience.
And this really highlights the exact battle of outcomes we face. On one side, jerky movements are just distracting. They pull the audience right out of the message you're trying to convey, and let's be honest, they can often feel a bit amateurish. Smooth animations, on the other hand, convey instant polish. They imply high quality and a total mastery of design. We always want to live on the smooth side of that equation. We want to make absolutely sure that the audience feels the speed rather than seeing the stutter.
The problem usually surfaces right when we push the velocity. Moving objects across the screen at high speeds is the exact trigger here. You see, standard, slower animations usually render perfectly fine because the software has enough time to process the frames. But when you want an element to fly in abruptly, default settings suddenly struggle to keep up. Without the proper configuration, that intended excitement and speed is exactly what triggers that dreaded rendering stutter.
So we know exactly what triggers the stutter, but where do we fix it? Where is the digital laboratory where we actually get in there and solve this? How do we take back control of our visual objects when they're flying across the display, ensuring that high speed translates perfectly into high quality?
Well, the crucial point is the custom animation panel. This isn't your basic quick-click menu that just slaps on a default fade or wipe. No, it's the advanced workshop, where you dictate exact behaviors from point A to point B. If your graphics are lagging, simply slowing the object down isn't the real fix. Taking fine-tuned control in this specific panel is the answer. It's where you get to fundamentally change how the software handles motion.
Now, what's really interesting here is finding a specific, highly effective setting, which is the steady movement style. By telling the custom panel to use this steady style, you're essentially forcing the software's engine to distribute the motion evenly. It completely removes that mechanical hesitation, maintaining a fluid glide even at incredibly high velocities. It's such a neat trick because it replaces the default rendering struggle with a pure, uninterrupted flow.
Let's move to the actual workflow and see how this builds into a brilliantly simple three-step formula. First, cheap your high speeds. Seriously, do not compromise your creative vision just because you're afraid of a little stutter. Second, bypass the easy buttons and open up that custom animation panel. Finally, step 3, apply the steady style. It's a really quick sequence, but it fundamentally changes the physics of your workspace, giving you back total control.
The source material actually makes this a definitive directive. It says, teach the steady movement style to eliminate jerky movements. It isn't just a casual suggestion, it specifically targets this one style as the absolute cure for rendering issues. When you embrace this rule, you're fundamentally upgrading how your high-speed animations are processed, which guarantees they come out looking exactly as dynamic and polished as you envisioned.
So, it all boils down to a powerful, simple formula. High speed plus the steady style equals smooth animations. You really do not have to sacrifice speed to get flawless, professional results every single time. By purposefully combining high velocity with that steady setting found in your custom panel, you instantly elevate the quality and feel of your digital design work.
Now that you have this hyper-focused, incredibly effective technical tool in your arsenal, how far will you push the boundaries of your animations? The next time you need a logo, a photo, or a critical graphic to whip across the screen and grab attention, remember this formula. Take control of that custom panel, apply the steady style, and watch your design glide. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And hey, happy designing!